Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and that you're all having a great day. If you ever have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I do love answering questions, and as always, a free way to support the channel is by leaving a thumbs up. It does help, and it does help with the algorithms as well. A very popular topic right now is, of course, everything revolving around cryptocurrencies in the finance world. Another part happens to be how to pay zero taxes on those cryptocurrencies. I've mentioned before in other videos that there are places around the world where you can pay no taxes at all in your cryptocurrencies if you decide to check out or whatever the case might actually be. So I'm going to make a little quick video just to explain to you exactly where these places are and give you like a little piece of information as to why they are tax-free. I've known a lot of other people before, and this isn't even all the places. These are the most popular, largest places. A lot of people are trying to figure out where or if they should relocate somewhere on the planet so that they have less taxes to pay when they cash out. That's a nice way of saying it. I think I phrased that pretty correctly. Anyway, without further ado, the first place is Portugal. The sale of cryptocurrencies within Portugal is tax exempt. Crypto trading is not considered, first of all, side note, always do your own research. If any of these sound tantalizing to you as I'm talking about them, read about them as well and find out exactly why they are tax-free and if moving there is right for you. Just in general, I can tell you information, but always double, triple, quadruple check, especially if you get into a situation where you're trying to cash out 1.5 million, just make sure you know exactly where you're going. Portugal, the sale of crypto is tax exempt. Only crypto trading is not considered an investment income, and only businesses that actually accept crypto are taxed. You'll see a common thing on this. Individuals on this list are usually not taxed or not taxed at all. It's usually businesses and corporations that usually incur some type of tax. It's usually if the business is trading crypto, buying crypto, selling crypto, or mining cryptocurrencies. That usually incurs taxes, but within these countries, it's usually if you're an individual doing these things by yourself, there's no taxes for you at all, which is lovely. First one being Portugal. The second one being Belarus. I think I remember in 2018 that they mentioned that this had come into effect, and it was for 5 years that no one in the country would have to pay taxes on cryptocurrencies, and this tax-free law lasts until the year 2023, which at this point, the law will then come up for review again. And realistically, if Bitcoin is in really high numbers, they might want a slice of that pie as well. But at least until the year 2023, Belarus will have no cryptocurrency taxes. Mining and investing in cryptocurrency within Belarus are considered personal investments and therefore are tax exempt. So we got Portugal and Belarus. Germany. Germany has a 0% tax fee, what's it called? Maybe the word is somewhere there. The thing when you cash out of an investment, I always forget one word every single video and it drives me absolutely insane. Point is, if you're cashing out of crypto, 0% tax fee if you've held the crypto longer than 366 days. So you buy cryptocurrency, a year goes by and a day, and you sell it, you pay no taxes on it at all. The same exact thing holds true for real estate in Germany as well. I think if you hold it for 10 years, you pay no taxes, but it's also the same in France and many other places. There are a lot of This is why the rich keep getting richer, is because they buy assets that when they do sell them, they pay no taxes on them, and that's kind of how you keep the money in your pocket. Portugal, Belarus, Germany. Number 4 is Hong Kong. It says if the asset's held for the long term, usually this applies for over a year. Every single country has a short-term and long-term tax fee. Long-term is usually more than 1 year. If assets are held for more than long term within Hong Kong, there are no tax on your profits. However, this may be subject to change because of current happenings in the news where their neighbor is trying to reabsorb them, and their neighbor definitely has taxes on cryptocurrencies. So if you are in Hong Kong with cryptocurrencies, just be aware that your taxation system, method, form may be changing relatively soon. Portugal, Belarus, Germany, Hong Kong. Next one is Malaysia. Crypto transactions are tax-free, and crypto doesn't count as a legal asset or legal tender, and therefore it is not taxed. This, of course, might change as well. And I say it might change because we are currently in the situation where many of these laws were made about a year or two ago, give or take, where simply the country was like, crypto's not a big deal. We don't have to worry about it. It's something it's a fad that's going to simply fly away at some point. The problem is it's not a fad and it's becoming only bigger and bigger. So there are many countries who are very stable in saying, nope, no crypto taxes, but other ones who said that there are no crypto taxes because crypto isn't legal tender or a legal asset usually means that when it does become legal or become legal tender, there might be some tax on that transaction, selling, something crypto related. Next one is Malta, M-A-L-T-A. Some people say Malta. I'm just sure why not. Crypto taxes. No, so crypto traders are taxed at 35%. I looked up this because I was like, 35% is kind of weird. There are apparently ways to snake around in the tax law legally that can lower that tax rate to 5%, maybe even 0%, but I'm not a tax lawyer in Malta, so I can't tell you exactly how or why. Crypto trades are taxed, i.e. if you're a day trader, you're going to be taxed by 35%. However, once again, crypto held long-term will incur no taxes on it should it be sold into a local fiat currency. Singapore. Capital, so this is Singapore, Monaco, and a couple of other countries are kind of the same. Singapore has no capital gains tax, which is the word I was trying to figure out before, capital gains tax. They apparently do not exist in Singapore, and this is why I guess why Singapore is so rich, and therefore crypto transactions are tax exempt. However, it's companies. If companies are trading crypto, if they're buying crypto, selling crypto, yada yada, crypto, they incur some type of a taxation fee, which is still great because if you're an individual, you don't want to pay any taxes anyway, so therefore you would be totally fine in Singapore. Portugal, Belarus, Germany, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Malta, and Singapore. And then we have Slovenia. There are no taxes levied on individuals selling their crypto within Slovenia. However, companies mining or trading cryptocurrencies pay a corporate tax rate. You're seeing the trend here, right? It's very good because individuals, how do I word this properly? It's nice that individuals within these countries don't have to pay cryptocurrencies. The corporations, however, have to, but as you're probably not a corporation, it won't really apply to you, so you get all the money that you would have gotten anyway, which is kind of good if you get what I'm saying. The last one, and this just come in English. This should come as no surprise. It's Switzerland. Profits made is a weird one. It says profits made by qualified individuals by investing or trading in cryptocurrencies have no taxes. You would have to look up exactly what qualified means because this does change from country to country. Sometimes qualified means you are an institutional investor, you are a very rich person, you have some type of sway or way, or you have a company that's big enough that you know it depends on the country. However, there's still a situation where you could be in Switzerland and not pay cryptocurrency taxes at all, which is absolutely wonderful. Another one that's not listed here, but is Puerto Rico. They also have a 0% tax rate for a lot of things actually, which is actually kind of weird. They have very low taxes. I was informed by a tax friend many years ago that it wouldn't be unwise to relocate to Puerto Rico or have like a home base there because my taxes would drop dramatically. Anyway, if you're in the United States, I'm more than certain that legally you are able to move to Puerto Rico. And I believe after a year of residency there, something like that, you then pay 0% taxes on your cryptocurrencies as well. So you get the warm weather and the ocean and the no taxes. I'm sure many other places over the next couple of years will begin to pop up that have 0% taxes because it's going to be a very attractive magnet to draw money into their systems, their country, or whatever kind of word you want to put on it. But yeah, at the moment, these are same list. I kept on kind of seeing over and over because as there are no new countries being created on a daily basis, this kind of is it. It's Portugal, Belarus, Germany, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Malta, Singapore, Slovenia, Switzerland, and Puerto Rico. That is 10, can I count? 10 different countries on the planet where you could essentially, if you are able to do so, move to and have 0% taxes on your cryptocurrencies. I think Portugal is also, I've heard a lot of good news about Portugal as well, as far as like the entirety of their like tax system, especially when it comes to like owning real estate as well. Anyway, I do hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all are having a great day, a great morning, a great afternoon, a great evening, wherever you are, wherever you might be. I do hope it is absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching and or listening. And I will most certainly be talking to you all soon. See you.